How to create USB bootable Windows 11 installer version 25H2 using a USB flash drive and Rufus software. First, let's download the Windows 11 ISO file. Go to Search and type Windows 11 Download ISO. Scroll down and select Download Windows 11. Choose the product language and select English International. Confirm. Then click 64-bit download. Next, download Rufus software. Choose the newest version. After downloading, open Rufus software. Go to Download and click Open. Plug in your USB flash drive. Select the Windows 11 ISO file. Then click Start. Check these two boxes and click OK. Done. Now you have a bootable USB Windows 11 installer. Now let's try to install Windows 11 on your PC. Insert your USB at the back or directly into your motherboard. Start your PC and press Delete repeatedly to enter the BIOS. This is a gigabyte motherboard. Open BIOS and move the USB flash drive to boot option number 1. Save changes and exit. For an MSI motherboard, move the USB to the first boot priority. Save the changes and exit. That's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.